Okay, rock and roll. This is Dave from Airsoft Mega Store. We have
Camron.
He's going to go ahead and review this gun and let you know how it goes. All right, have fun.
All right.
So this was game number 3?
Yeah, game number 3.
What did you think of it? Now you got used to the size and the weapon.
I thought it was good. I can hit somewhat all the way down the range.
If there's anything you can do to improve this weapon, what would you do? What would you put on it if you had to make this your own weapon?
I would probably lower this a lot because if you're wearing a face mask, you can't look down the sight.
Cool. Anything else? All right, cool. Well, thank you. You on Airsoft Mega Store TV? This is Camron, and we'll see you later. Later. So we talked earlier, you heard of Airsoft Mega Store TV?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Have you seen any of our YouTube videos?
Only on the website here.
The website?
Yeah.
Okay. Come check us out. Twitter, Facebook, you know, I'm David, this is Vince.
Yeah, thank you for testing it, man. It's your birthday, we found out. We're going to give you for sure, into, Airsoft Mega Store t-shirt.
Oh, thank you so much.
For sure. Happy birthday,
awesome.
man.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, without a doubt, man.
Alright, cool.
Hopefully you enjoyed Airsoft.
Oh yeah. I just recently got in. It's an awesome game.
Well, this will be waiting for you once you turn age 18.
Yeah, so that's it. That is a barrel plug in it too, just so you know.
Well, that's awesome. Cool.
Yeah, it's a spring action, so there's no gas or battery you have to worry about. But we just actually did a spring review of you done them, so.
Oh yeah.
If you want to pwn someone, that's the one to get them.
I'll probably use it right now.
Exactly. Intimidate people. Like, if you shoot somebody with a spring gun and they're shooting at you full auto, you kind of win the game.
Oh yeah.
But all right, man. Thank you for your time, brother. Yeah, without a doubt, man.
Cool. You saw it here in Airsoft Mega Store TV at TacCity.
Woo!